How to post anonymously in a group on Facebook tutorial. So go open your Facebook application, and among the six icons here on the bottom part of your screen, go to Menu tab, click on Groups to see where you want to post anonymously. So choose a group here, tap on Write Something, and as you can see, there is no option to post anonymously. This is because the admin of the group does not allow anonymous posting. So if you want to post something anonymously, either ask the admin to turn this feature on or find another group that has the anonymous post on. So let's go back and transfer to another group. Click on Write Something. And as you can see here on top, I have an option to post something anonymously. Type in, add photos and videos, whatever you want to post, and then click on the post button. Your post will then be added once the admins approved it. So that is how you post anonymously in a group on Facebook. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.